All right, this is a flow control faucet, and we're seeing a lot of these being used in the marketplace, and there's some good reasons to use them. But this faucet is a little bit of a problem for me, and I'm not going to take it apart, but I'm going to show you how it works. So first of all, there's a much longer neck on here. So that generally means that you have higher applied pressure coming out of the faucet. So if you don't do anything else, this is smaller in diameter than the domestic faucet, which means it's going to come out a little faster. Here's the handle where the tap handle gets attached again. And this lever here is what pushes this thing back and forth and opens it up so that you can actually control the flow from nothing to full pour. Now the reason that this is used is because in many circumstances with draft beer being changed on an ongoing basis, you never know what pressure is going to be coming out of that keg. So it makes life a lot easier if you don't have a high performance draft system in the first place. The reason I don't like it is because every bartender leaves this in a different position. So you never know where you're going to start. And on top of that, I think it's very much a band-aid solution, because a lot of times these are put into draft systems and it's to fix a foaming problem. Whereas you could have a separate regulator and different dispense gas that will actually help you to do all that. So for me, if you ever want to use this, there are two circumstances in which it's helpful. One is if there's a constant change in temperature, like an outdoor beer festival. And two is if you're switching out brands and you don't know what the internal pressure of the keg is. And if that's the case, then this becomes useful. In a regular draft beer setting, in a bar or restaurant, or even at your home, this is not necessary. In fact, it's very expensive. A lot of times these are spring-loaded, so that means you got to keep your hand on it. But for me, it's just a waste of time. And that's just a little bit about flow control faucets and why I don't particularly like them. They do have a purpose, but I'm very skeptical.